Apple announced iOS 16, which is expected to be available for download this fall. In this video, we're going to go over its top new features, starting with the lock screen. Apple completely reimagined the lock screen on iOS 16, allowing you to showcase your favorite photos, customize font styles, and display to get a set of widgets at a glance. iOS 16, personal is powerful. iOS 16 enhances iPhone with all new personalization features, deeper and more seamless ways to communicate and share. Lock screen. You have an all-new reimagined lock screen, making your iPhone with all new ways to personalize your lock screen, showcase favorite photos, customize styles, and display a set of widgets to get information at a glance, as I just said. Widgets. Widgets on the lock screen let you quickly glance at data like the weather, calendar, events, date, time zones, alarms, battery level, activity ring progress, and more from your favorite apps. Create multiple lock screens. You can now create different lock screens, each with a unique backdrop and style, and easily switch between them. Browse a gallery of wallpapers with suggested photos and themed collections for inspiration. Your notifications are new in the iOS 16 update as well. View notifications on the lock screen in an expanded list view, stacked view, or hidden view, and notifications appear at the bottom of the screen so they stay out of the way. Live activities. Live activities make it easier to stay on top of things that are happening in real time right from your lock screen, so you can check the source of a game or track the progress of your food delivery without unlocking your device. Focus. Easily set up a focus. A new streamlined setup for Focus lets you select the apps, people that you want to receive notifications from by either allowing them to silence, connect your lock screen to Focus so the look and feel of your phone can match how you want to use it in the moment. With a swipe, you can go from your personal focus to your work focus with widgets showing upcoming meetings and to-do lists. Focus filters. Filter out distracting content in your everyday apps. Photos. iCloud shared photo library. The best way to share photos with your family. Smart ways to share. Choose what to include based on a start date or the people in the photos. Once the shared library is set up, you can share photos instantly right from camera. Choose to share automatically when other shared library members are nearby, and get smart suggestions for adding photos to the shared library and for you. Edits and changes sync everywhere. Everyone has equal permissions for adding, editing, and deleting photos in the shared library. Favorites, captions, and keywords sync too. So if one person organizes a collection, everyone benefits. A lot of this was also mentioned in the keynote at the recent Apple event, I think. Messages. Everyday messaging enhanced. You can now edit a message you just sent or unsent recent message altogether. You can mark a message as unread if you cannot respond in the moment and want to come back to it later, which I think is super cool. I'm very excited for this feature. Share play via messages. Watch the latest episode of your favorite show or listen to a new song with friends while chatting about it in the messages. Shared playback controls ensure that you're always synced up. Richer collaboration. Share notes, presentations, reminders, Safari tab groups, and more in messages to start collaborating instantly. See updates on shared projects in the thread and easily get in touch with your collaborators right from the app you're working in. Mail, improved search. Search delivers more accurate and complete results and provides suggestions before you start typing. New mailbox features. Undo, send, scheduled send, follow-up, add rich links. Safari and passkeys. Sign in more safely with passkeys. Passkeys introduce a more secure and easier way to sign in. Shared tab groups. Shared tabs and bookmarks send messages and start FaceTime right from Safari. Whether you're planning a trip with friends or shopping for a couch with your partner, you can share all the tabs in one place, and when they find something great, they can add tabs too. Intelligence. Lift subject from background. You can easily lift subject from an image or isolate the subject by removing the background available in Photos, Screenshot, Quick Look, Safari, and more. Live text for video. Pause a video in any frame that contains a text to use familiar interactions like copy and translate to look up, share, and more. Live text quick actions. Now it's even easier to call phone numbers, visit websites, convert currencies, translate languages, and more in photos, videos, and camera. Shortcuts with zero setup. Run shortcuts with Siri as soon as you install an app. No setup required. Dictation. Smarter dictation. Automatic punctuation and say it with emoji. Use dictation and the keyboard together. Move seamlessly between voice and touch to enter text. Type with keyboard. Tap in the text field. Move the cursor and insert quick type suggestions, all without needing to stop dictation. I'm super excited for all these new features. Maps. Multi-stop routing. Add multiple stops along your route. Transit cards and fares in Maps. Add new transit cards to Wallet. Check low balances, replenish your card, and see the total cost of your trip all without leaving Maps. Apple Pay and Wallet. Introducing Apple Pay later. Split the cost of your Apple Pay purchase into 4 payments over 6 weeks with no interest or fees. Track your orders. View your receipts and track your Apple Pay orders directly in Wallet. Share keys securely. Share your keys securely in Wallet using your favorite messaging apps, including Messages, Mail, and WhatsApp. You can decide where and when your keys can be used, and you can revoke them anytime. Verify your identity in apps. Present your ID in apps to verify your identity. Home. Reimagined Home app. The Home app is rebuilt from the ground up to be more efficient and reliable. Navigate all your smart home devices in the redesigned Home tab. New categories for climate, lights, security, and more let you access relevant accessories with just a tap, and multi-camera views put your smart home cameras in front and center. Matter support coming later this year. Choose and connect even more smart home accessories with Matter and Kit compatibility. Health and fitness. Learn more about health and fitness app updates. Health and fitness app updates. The new medications feature in the health app helps you manage, track, and understand the medications you take. And to help you stay connected on what matters most, you can now send loved ones an invitation to share their information stored in the health app.
Your kid turned out great.
Fitness app for iPhone. The fitness app can allow you to track and meet your fitness goals even if you don't have an Apple Watch. Now using iPhone Motion, sensors your steps, distance, and third-party workouts will give you an estimate of your calories to contribute to your daily move goal.